Hello guys, welcome to the most awaited video. So people are demanding from me on live. Today I am going to reveal the strategy for the BTC and other instrument you can use. But I think on BTC it will work better always and always. So guys, what is this red and green? This red and green is EMA. Green one is 20 EMA and red one is 50 EMA. So this is overall a strategy called 20-50 EMA strategy. So what to do with that strategy? If you are a swing trader, then this strategy is also good for you guys. So see here, when this green line crosses red line, then we have to initiate our entry. So our entry is triggered at the level of 99,563. So doing past analysis, past to present we are coming. So there is lots of example is coming. That's why. So we see a 8,581 points of movement, but where to exit? So I think for exit you can choose manually with the price action like this candle, or you can go with this green line, break the red line, then our short entry is initiated. So maybe you cut your long trade and initiate the short trade. So here you can see that a moment of 11,000 is captured. This kind of movement is always seen in the market, but sometimes you can see a loss also. So here is the example of loss. See here, on this level you accumulate, but you have to bear the loss near to this level. So almost 2000 points of loss is also you have to bear, but you initiated the entry at that level again. So accuracy of this trade is 1:8, means 80 to 90%, 85% accuracy in the market. So if you initiated your entry here, then you can see that you have a good 4000 points rally in the market. But if you cut down the trade near this level, so on cost exit, you will be exited. Again, it is consolidating, so don't buy on that type of consolidate. After the green candle, very good green candle crosses, here you can initiate your entry. So you can see that yes, not on the flat, you have to make your entries on the rising or downward. If you are practicing this strategy for next 180 days, you will know how to initiate. So here you can see that again you initiate the entry at the level of 94,000, and you can see that a momentum. If you close your trade near this level, it's 3000. But if you closes your trade near 100k or 102k on this candle, you can see that a 8000 point movement is here. And again, you can see that if you initiated your entry near this level, so maybe you will get a good momentum of 4000, 5000 points. So, and here you can see that no trading zone in a flattish movement. Okay, so for flattish movement, I think not go for the entry, and quick momentum is come. Always quick momentum is come. Don't go with the over leverage. You will capture the big momentum always. And out of 10, you will get momentum above 3000 points always in BTC. But you have to take some patience. So it will work on the every level. So if you are a scalper, you can use this strategy on the 3 minute also. So for 3 minutes, you can see that yes, here you shorted the yes, you shorted from this level. Now you can see that a good 700 points. Here you bought here you bought. See there. Here yes, here you bought. Now you can see that the momentum it's of 900 points. So in 3 minute time frame, it is also good strategy to accumulate, and it will work in every instrument. But I will suggest you to trade BTC and gold and Ethereum. Means you have to trade the most traded instruments. so you will get the trend early. So if you get the trend early, you will guide the trend. So manage your risk and don't go with the over leverage or over position, and try to master the strategy first, then go with the big positions. Okay, so that's all for strategy. So if you like this strategy, please comment down, and after making profit from this strategy, please message us and show your profits. So we are happy if you make good profits from that strategy. Okay, if you have any queries about this strategy, then you can ask me, guys, anytime. Message me on Telegram, or if you are still not our Telegram member, so go and join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. And if you want to join our premium services, then go again on the Telegram channel and check the pin post. You will get the information about the premium channel. Okay, guys. So please like the video and share the video with your friends who want to earn daily thousands of dollars. Guys, we'll meet you in the next strategy video on the next Sunday. On every Sunday, we will post a one strategy for you guys. So master any one strategy and one setup and trade at least 6 months. Give at least 6 months to the one strategy for the results. Okay, guys. So it's time to leave you. We'll meet you in the next video. So tata, bye bye, see you, take care, have a nice journey of the life.